Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel, and this particular video is regarding the augury Torah analysis or reading. I strongly believe that truth is the best healer. We mostly live in rejection, denial, or setting very high expectations from wrong and non-deserving candidates or people, situations, places. And we keep blaming ourselves for the mishaps, and we lose confidence. Self-talks like, why did this happen to me? Why am I not happy? Why do I keep attracting such kind of people? When will I have a happy, satisfied life? Etc., etc. keeps running in our head. This is because we are ignorant of the truth pertaining to the matter concerned. Okay, now tell me one thing. If you have to go to a mall, will you drive your car towards the mall, or you will drive it in a different direction where you actually reach to a hospital? What will happen then? Do you really expect the mall to be there where the hospital is? Or you blame someone that the mall is not here? Who is at fault? The fault is that we took a wrong direction. We need to take a U-turn and come back on the right track towards the mall. That is the goal, right? It's very important to make some course corrections and change directions to reach the goal basically in our lives, so that we can be absolutely happy. Something similar is happening in all of our life. We all want to live a very happy, satisfying, peaceful, meaningful, purposeful life, but somehow the choices we make or directions we drive our lives towards is far away from what we are expecting from our lives. Moreover, we keep pressing ahead on that wrong path, wrong direction, with even more strength, willpower, and determination, only to land up to some emotionally drained situation. Not just that, we also blame others for our miseries. In the process, what is happening is it's you who is losing the peace of mind and self-confidence. Only by knowing exactly what's your problem, what challenges are ahead, what causes the stagnancy in life, what limiting belief system subconsciously is guiding your life at autopilot mode, what karmic patterns you have formed in your previous lifetimes. What is your purpose of taking birth? Only by answering these questions, you will be able to choose a better direction for your life. Augury Torah analysis or reading aims to answer all these in details so that you know your truth and your patterns. You can heal with the remedies given in the report and transform your life. This analysis is a complete personality analysis, the truth of you, the strongest being who has all the powers to transform life. Ignorance is the biggest enemy, and we need to defeat this enemy to win the life battle. And it is a conscious effort each one of us will have to make to better our lives. I did this augury Torah analysis for a tarot reader very recently, who was confused that somehow even after being spiritually empowered, she feels unhappy, she isn't famous, and she isn't getting clients, and she's not making good money, her family life is disturbed, and she's not living a very respectful life. So when she according to this augury Torah analysis that I did for her, when I suggested her to use tarot reading as a freelancing but rather she should actually be going ahead towards being a traveler, a travel blogger, creative writer, a wildlife photographer. This is what was suggested in the analysis. This is just one part of her analysis. Okay, so to her surprise, she actually called me up to tell me that, you know, in her dreams she has seen herself writing something or the other. At some point of time, she had dreams wherein she's holding her camera and she's in some dark forest clicking some photographs. After 3 months' time, she actually had a chance to pursue her dream, and she could start her travel blogging career with the help of this analysis. Not only that, but her personal life also improved. Her relationship with her family, with her child, a 5-year-old child, and her husband also improved. She gained that confidence. She felt empowered. She was actually stuck into the direction which was not meant to be for her. Okay. Yet another girl who was a victim of domestic violence, through her augury Torah analysis, we found out that the purpose is not just being a victim to domestic violence, but she had the potential to become a teacher. And her path, very mystically, what she chose was being a yoga and a meditation teacher. Similarly, a male doctor found his purpose not in a 9-to-5 job in some hospital, but in expanding his dad's chemist shop, which he never was wanting to run because somehow it was a profile mismatch. After all, he was a doctor. But now he's establishing, he's building his own eye hospital in his hometown. This isn't so simple, friends. All these transformations involved finding, realizing, and accepting the truth of one's life. And rather than compromising, we need to trust the divine order and walk the soul path to achieve absolute happiness and real victory. It is difficult to mention every aspect of the analysis here, since each one of us will have a different soul journey that we are onto. And the analysis can be an eye-opener. If you really want to know the truth of your life and you're ready to accept it and you're ready to push yourself and into a direction which probably you would have rejected or you would not have ever thought about it, then this augury Torah analysis is for you. So what are you waiting for? Book your analysis now. Each analysis report dedicatedly takes somewhere around 2 to 3 days time. So you need to pre-book it, and you need to also understand when you're booking this, before you book this analysis for yourself, please understand one thing. We all are, the soul has taken this body to have a journey, to fulfill a journey, to reach to some, from A to B. Now this body, because of its limited understanding of life, limited wisdom, limited knowledge, with its limiting belief system, tries to drive life. But the soul wants to reach from A to B. It will not let the body move from A to C. The soul will make all possible efforts for the body to come back from C to the track of AB. So we need to really understand, because most of us are living a very unsatisfied, unfulfilled, meaningless life, and we feel unhappy. Whether it is a relationship issue or your career issue or a promotion issue or not being appreciated kind of an issue in family or in your workplace, or you do not have money, or you wanted to achieve so many things in your life but you could not. That is because your body is driving, your desires are driving your journey. Rather, if you align your mind, body with the soul will actually take you from A to B. So all those diversions of going from A to C or A to D or some other EFG, you will actually not be able to, like, those diversions won't happen in your life. And that is what we need to find out in this augury Torah analysis, that what is that P point for you in different areas of your life. If you're ready to accept the truth and make those conscious changes in your life, this analysis is for you. So book your analysis now. Thank you once again for taking out time to watch this video. Take very, very good care of yourself, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.